So these are actually highlights from my live stream of me, my friends, and my dad playing CS2 Unranked. So let's go.
I spend that much money on the fucking car.
The Russians hit the internet tower in Malta. Sound like, what's his name? The guy who in the robot who went to Epstein Island. What's his name? Stephen Hawking. Yeah.
Do I sound like it right now?
Yeah, say something like that he would say. Say, I like kids.
My goal is simple. It is a complete understanding of the universe. I like children under 18. I got an ad and there's gay people in the ad.
It's a mirror.
Bro, I want to stream, but my back is fucking killing me, man. Oh my god. I'm actually gonna go to physiotherapy tomorrow.
I'm gonna go to physiotherapy.
Are you real? Hello? My dad has a hernia.
Yeah, because I blew that shit out. I'm really sorry.
So far. Bro, what?
I'm really sorry about your dad.
Imagine I say that to you, bro. Like, in front of your dad as well.
Your dad isn't here.
I know your dad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Me too. Intimately.
No,
I'm sorry.
Stop.
Now, me and Furious Dad's gay wedding was paid for by Skins Monkey. Skins Monkey is a CS2 trading site with a 35% deposit bonus for every deposit and a free $5 for one $100 trade. Skins Monkey have also prepared a free Christmas gift for everyone. You can get completely free CS skins and up to 50% deposit bonus or free balance on the site. The first gift is free and more gifts are unlocked by trading and there are no hidden requirements. They've also added an advent calendar where you can get a gift every day. It could be deposit bonus, XP or giveaway tickets. So thank you Skins Monkey for sponsoring this video, and now let's get back to the Unranked experience.
Please peek him, please, he's on the chair. Bro, peek him!
Go ahead, bro, you can do it.
No, he's still there!
You can do it, bro. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Ready.
Oh! Oh! What was that clip? What happened? Bro, what? History repeats itself. What the fuck happened? I got logged out. Can you hear me? Hello? Bro, I got logged out of my Windows. There's a picture of Japan being shown. How the fuck do I go back? What the stream say? Do you guys see? This is what it looks like for me right now, bro. What the fuck are these programs? I've never seen this. Hey Anomaly, I have big problem. I got my girlfriend pregnant and need money for abortion. Can you please buy my stiletto boral forest field tested? So you want me to buy your knife to kill your kid? What the fuck?
America.
America! He said police! He said police! Hella people sold me skins to go for like their wedding or to pay bills for their kids and stuff. I think this is the first time ever someone has wanted me to buy their skins so they can kill their kid. Imagine I accept the knife and I don't pay and I is just forced to have a kid.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh, what the fuck? How did that happen? What? That was some Seinfeld shit. How did that happen? What? He spawned behind me. Now he said, please give me 130. I need 500 RON. I am from Romania. 3, 2, 1, go. Terraul is successful. Why you don't go outside when it's iFlash? Bro, why no? Yes, go. Bro, did you know there's a new glitch in this version of CS2? No. You need to spin around, press space and G. UK POV, he's just chasing me with a knife. Bro, stop! Look what he's saying. He said, hi, please help. What's the trade offer? It's just his knife and his AK. What price for these two, bro? Bro, he shows a picture of the pregnancy test. No way! This is so fucked, bro. It's for real, I am desperate. Kid before, smile, kid after. This is so fucked. I'll do like $170. I guess I'll just accept them on this account, I guess. By the way, a guy in my chat wrote, this is so fucked. He said, say since the skins are tainted with the blood of a child, you will have to do half off. Bro, what the fuck? Do I just not pay him now and he just becomes a dad? He said, please pay, I don't want kid. Bro, this is so fucked fun.
Papa, we invited you to Discord.
Yes.
Hello, Papa. I just bought skins from a guy, Papa, and he said he was gonna use the money to have an abortion. His girlfriend is pregnant. What do you think?
You could do it yourself, you know. So it's Father's Day. That's why you.
Yeah. Yeah. This is like make a wish for old
Yeah.
people.
Okay. What color are you?
White? That's a weird question, Papa.
Not like furious then.
Oh my
My
fucking god.
Jaha, jag köpte ingen av det.
You didn't buy? Why?
I
You are a
was
noob,
so,
you are trolling?
No, I was so shocked by it's the real anomaly.
Wait, let me kill the last guy. I can't kill him! Oh! I had only one bullet! I needed to land that shit, otherwise it would have been Jover. Good job, Papa!
Thank you.
Papa, do you want to tab out and go to Discord?
I think I am in Discord.
No, but do you want to... Wait, I just realized. Lime, how old are you?
19.
And you're playing with my dad, who is 60. This is some insane levels of grooming I'm witnessing right here. Dude, like, what? This is insane.
Papa, 60, you're 48?
Bro!
Haktua.
Haktua. Papa, can you say Haktua?
Yes.
No, Papa, take cover, take cover! You're sitting on the chair, actually.
Yes.
You're taking it easy, comfortable. He's in hooker house. Oh, good job. You see, Papa, and you survived. Good job. Why is he upside down? Are you seeing this? My grandma trying to go down the stairs. Be like...
My grandma once a month seeking attention.
She dolphin dives down the stairs for attention once a month. What the fuck? Bro.
Stop it.
Bro, Papa, you're trolling. You're blocking me.
Yes.
Papa, stop trolling!
I mean, why are you turning
Oh,
around?
Because I'm peeking the corner. Wait, Papa, go middle. I flash for you. Go out middle. Flashbang. Go. That's not me. Where the fuck are you going? Out there to the right. There's so many people.
Behind you.
Papa, can you say bombaclot?
Bomberclaw!
There's a guy chat who said, what's your skincare routine? You're beautiful today. A guy replied and said, overweight and Monter energy drink. Monter energy drink. I'm changing name on Steam. Monter energy drink. One's on site, Papa. Don't die. One's close to you. I saved you. Holy shit. Saving Private Ryan. One more close to you. I saved you again. Holy shit. Papa. Yo! Papa, good job! What a fucking father-son duo takeover of the side. Middle.
Nej! We killed Papa!
Oh, I no scoped him. Vaben, last one middle. Go in.
It's Vaben.
I don't give a shit. It's bye-bye if he doesn't win this round.
Okay.
Yahoo! Nice! Legendary takeover. Retake
Yes.
there. The ancient one! It's literally... They know!
Fuck off!
Wait, Sam said he could join.
Oh no.
Welcome, Sam. Are you ready to be groomed?
Why is Fury in the call, by the way? He's not here.
I don't know. He's just giving fat aura or something. Oh, okay, let's go. What?
What?
Why did you leave?
That was Tomboy.
Papa is friends with a guy who's named Tomboy Lover on Steam. Papa, what the fuck?
He's Romanian, so it's okay.
Oh?
What? The only games I have installed on this account is CS2 and Lego Batman, the video game.
Are you 6 years old?
No, Papa, I'm not.
Huh?
Okay, we need to ban Dust 2. Look at them. Look at
No.
them.
Dust 2 is the only map we should play.
But they only play that
Yeah,
game.
but they're 8,000 elo. This is like that question, how many 6-year-olds could you take on in a fight? Papa, don't think about 6-year-olds.
Yes.
Okay.
Papa, are you having fun?
Yeah!
Oh my god. Papa.
In the nursing home.
Why
Yeah, F1! F1!
No.
Papa wants to
Hey,
kick
Vaven.
live!
I thought it was Sam. I'm just old and confused.
Who's been a good boy?
What the fuck?
Shoot him in the head, Sam.
No.
No, I can't. I'll
Shoot
get
him in the
banned.
head.
Aye!
Can you give me an AK, Papa?
Well,
This is grooming right in the flesh.
Thank you.
Look at this.
Oh.
Do you see that? He gave him a gift.
Yeah.
And now you want sexual favors.
What the fuck? Fuck this game. They're losing to a 60-year-old man saying fuck this game, bro. That's crazy. My team has negative IQ. Rune is a pro for them. Yo! Papa, you're a pro compared to the enemy team. I respect. Papa, do you like CT side or T side?
yes.
Okay.
I like this. A side.
CT. What? A side? Ah.
He's to the left.
Left. Vänster, Papa. Okay.
I know.
More left.
Okay,
more
you
left.
need to go a little faster.
Nice try.
Get ready to shoot if he comes out.
Oh.
Yeah! Good job, Papa! Sheesh!
Well, thank you for playing with an old man.
Yeah,
that
no-
sounds bad.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Maybe one some other time, yes.
Fuck no. Oh no, I just went to my inventory and I just see the abortion knife in there. Like, fuck.
Rest in pieces.
Wait, this could be really good. Wait. I'm gonna check that one after. That could be really good, actually. Oh! Yo! My first red ever! No way! Baby carrot CT! Yes, sir! There's a 1 in 150 chance! No way! This account is crazy! My dad just raided twitch.tv/Anulmali. Anulmali.
God damn it, man.
I love Papa, bro.